on the bell icon. Stay updated on our daily videos. This lecture is about the 4 types of selection methods. This is one of the essential topic in AutoCAD because it may helps you to select the particular object in a complicated plan. So don't skip this video, watch till the end. First selection method is window selection. It is the selection which is in blue color, and this selection works when we right click and move the cursor from left to right hand side. Now you can see the blue color which is called the window selection, and it works only when we select the entire object, but it doesn't work when we select the of the object. Let's do this. See this rectangle. Now I want to select this rectangle and I trying to use window selection. See here. Click and move the cursor on the rectangle from left to right side, and here I only selecting the half the rectangle and release it. You can see this. There is no changes in the selection of the object. Let's try to select the whole object with window selection. See here, I trying to select the entire object. Now you are able to select the object. I think it's clear now. And secondly, crossing selection. It is opposite to the window selection. That is, it works when we right click and move the cursor from right to left, and the selection is in green color. As I already told, this selection method is just opposite to the window selection. That is, instead of selecting whole object, just select some on that object by using this crossing selection method. Now you can see the object get selected. And thirdly, lasso selection. It is the multi-line selection and also called as intersects the selection. It is used rarely while drawing. See here, let me clear you. I am selecting this object by using window selection method, and I want to deselect the rectangle at this time. So I just try to overlap the selection here, and it is a multi-line selection, right? And release it. Now you can see the rectangle get deselected, and this is called as lasso selection. That is, when we overlapping the selections, the lasso selection gets activated. Okay. And lastly, fence selection. It is the only selection used in complicated plans to select the objects. First you select either from left to right or right to left. I am moving the cursor from left to right. And to activate fence selection, just press spacebar. Now you can see the dotted lines, which is called the fence selection. If you drag from right to left, you need to press spacebar twice to activate the fence selection. If you press once, it will activate window selection from the crossing selection. And again press spacebar, then you will get the fence selection. Fence is mostly used to trim the minute lines. See here, from this diagram, I want to erase only these lines. That is, in between these two lines. Let's activate trim command. Trim command is nothing but is used to cut the object. We will discuss detail in the upcoming videos about trim. In this trim, we have fence crossing like that. While I using crossing selection, I am not able to select or erase the only particular object. It's very difficult while using this crossing method. But it's very easy to erase the minute lines by using fence. Let's do now. Just click on fence. Now you select the object what you need to erase and click enter. I hope you guys understood up to here. If don't, leave your doubts in comment section. Let me clear you. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.